If you drive a modern Honda, whether it's a Civic, Accord, CR-V, Pilot, or HR-V, then there is a 99% chance you are missing out on features Honda built right into your car. These are features that are not advertised in commercials and are buried deep in your owner's manual. And here is the shocking part. Most drivers don't even know these features exist. In this video, we are unlocking 7 of the most useful hidden features in modern Honda vehicles that could completely change the way you drive. Let's start with the feature that hardly 1% of drivers know about. Feature number 7, Glovebox Cooler. On long summer drives, cabin temperatures can quickly warm up drinks or melt snacks stored inside your interior storage bins. Many modern Honda models, including the Odyssey, Pilot, and select CR-V variants, feature a hidden climate-controlled glove box that is designed to divert cold-conditioned air directly into the compartment. Honda's HVAC system can deliver air as cool as 40 degrees Fahrenheit directly into this isolated chamber. It keeps beverages up to 30 degrees cooler than ambient cabin air and prevents thermal degradation of emergency medications and stops snacks from melting. To activate this cooling chamber, open your glove box or center storage compartment and locate the circular mechanical dial or sliding shutter valve mounted on the back or side interior wall. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to the open position, and then run your AC with a cool temperature setting and keep the compartment closed. Cold air will now be directed into the storage area, while the rest of the cabin stays comfortable. During winter months, when the cabin heater is running, be sure to twist the dial back to the closed position to prevent 120 degrees Fahrenheit heated air from filling the compartment and damaging stored items. Feature number 6, Hidden Climate Control Self-Diagnostic Mode. Dealership service departments routinely charge between $100 and $150 simply to plug in a diagnostic scanner to troubleshoot climate control faults. However, automotive repair data reveals that nearly 80% of modern Honda AC complaints stem from blend door actuator misalignment. Over time, or following a dead vehicle battery, the car's AC blend door motors can desynchronize. That may lead to frustrating issues where one side of your dashboard blows 45 degrees Fahrenheit freezing air, while the opposite vent blows 75 degrees Fahrenheit ambient heat, despite identical dial settings. To force the HVAC electronic control unit to run a full sweep and relearn its 0-point baseline calibrations, turn the vehicle ignition completely off and turn off all electrical accessories. Now, hold down the recirculation and auto buttons simultaneously. Then turn the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine, and maintain pressure on both buttons for roughly 10 seconds. You will hear the air duct dampers sweeping through their full physical range, while the AC indicator light flashes rapidly. Once the light stops flashing, turn the ignition off, wait 30 seconds, and restart the vehicle. If the problem was caused by lost actuator calibration, the system may now have correctly relearned its door positions and restored balanced airflow. Feature number 5, Automatic Brake Hold System. If you drive in bumper-to-bumper traffic or live in a hilly city, then the automatic brake hold button near your gear shifter is a lifesaver for you. Your Honda's automatic brake hold system relies on the electronic parking brake module to eliminate leg fatigue during extended idling, heavy stop-and-go gridlock, or steep hill restarts. To activate this system, you must first buckle your driver's seatbelt and completely close all vehicle doors, as the safety module will refuse activation if these conditions are unmet. Next, press the brake hold button located on your center console until the green brake hold indicator lights up on your instrument panel cluster. Once active, whenever you bring the vehicle to a complete stop by pressing the brake pedal, then you can release your foot entirely. The hydraulic brake system will hold pressure on all 4 wheels continuously until you press the accelerator pedal to resume driving smoothly. Feature number 4, Dead Key Fob Engine Start Bypass. What happens when your smart key fob battery completely dies and leaves you stranded? Don't panic. Honda built a clever backup system that can still let you start the vehicle even when the fob battery is completely dead. Hidden inside the key fob is a passive transponder, and the vehicle can detect it without relying on the fob's battery. First, remove the emergency physical key from the fob and use it to unlock the driver's door manually. Once inside, sit in the driver's seat and press the brake pedal firmly as you normally would. Now take the key fob and bring the Honda logo side, or the side specified in your owner's manual, directly against the engine start-stop button. The vehicle will detect the passive transponder through the button's built-in antenna, which in result allows the immobilizer system to recognize the key even though the fob battery is dead. This causes the start button light to illuminate or flash, at which point you simply press the button down with the fob to start the engine. Feature number 3. Decoding maintenance minder subcodes. Most drivers think the maintenance minder in their Honda is just a simple oil change reminder, but it is actually much smarter than that. Instead of forcing drivers into wasteful 3,000-mile fluid change cycles, Honda's maintenance minder tracks over 10 million engine revolutions, oil temperatures exceeding 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient cold starts below freezing to evaluate oil degradation dynamically. It then displays a combination of letters and numbers that tell you exactly what service is due. A generally indicates an engine oil change, while B adds an oil filter replacement and additional inspections. The numbered codes provide even more detail. 1 means tire rotation. 2 indicates cabin and air filter service. 3 calls for transmission fluid replacement. 4 covers spark plugs and valve clearance inspection. 5 indicates engine coolant replacement. And 6 calls for rear differential fluid service on applicable AWD models. Following these digital notifications allows owners to perform precise preventative maintenance and saves up to $300 annually while extending engine service life beyond 200,000 miles. Feature number 2. Smart Entry Door Unlocking. By default, Honda models are configured so that touching the exterior door handle unlocks only the driver's door. The main purpose of this setting is adding an extra layer of security when you are approaching the vehicle alone. However, for drivers frequently loading family members, gear, or child seats, having to unlock remaining doors manually adds friction to daily routines. Therefore, if you regularly need access to every door, then you can change this behavior in just a few taps. Here is how to do it. First, navigate your display screen to Settings and then select Vehicle. Next, choose Door Setup. Click Door Unlock Mode and update the selection from Driver Door Only to All Doors. Once saved, carrying the key fob and touching the appropriate front exterior handle can unlock the other passenger doors as well. That means no more pressing the key fob twice or reaching inside to unlock the doors when your hands are full. It's one of those small Honda settings that you configure once and then wonder why you didn't change it sooner. Feature number 1. Capless Fuel Filler Emergency Funnel Trick. Ever run out of gas and discover that your Honda's capless fuel system won't accept fuel from a regular gas can? Don't panic. This is actually a safety feature, not a malfunction. Actually, modern Honda vehicles use a dual-stage, mechanical spring-loaded shutter door inside the filler neck that is calibrated to open only when pressed by a standard gasoline pump nozzle. This feature is great for gas stations, but if you ever run out of gas on the highway and try to pour fuel from a plastic gas can, then the nozzle won't open the safety lock. But you don't need to worry. Honda has built in an internal mechanical double latch. Lift the carpet lining inside your trunk or cargo area near the spare tire toolkit and retrieve the white plastic funnel adapter. Insert this funnel straight into the capless filler neck, where it is designed to open the internal safety doors and create a proper passage for emergency fuel. Once the funnel is fully seated, you can carefully add fuel from your container without forcing the mechanism or damaging the filler neck. That's all for this video. Which of these 7 hidden features are you going to set up in your Honda today? Drop a comment down below and let me know. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.